This video is for Wednesday, June 27th, 2012. I want to show the differences between the tick and the different platforms. On the left, you have Kinetick data in Ninjatrader, and on the right, you have Tradestation data in the Tradestation platform. So this is the Tradestation window, and this is the Ninjatrader window with tick. And I just want to show the differences in platforms. Tick does not come from the exchange, the tick symbol. You can see here in Tradestation it's $tick. In Ninjatrader with Kinetick it's #tick, and they're both on 1 minute. And you can see the differences in the tick and that they're not from the exchange. Different data providers provide different calculations. For example, there's about 3,500 stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, and not every stock is used in this calculation. Some providers use different symbols. For the most part, they're the same, but there's some slight differences. There can be some slight differences in the update times, and so you can see, for those that don't know, the tick is the difference between the number of stocks on the New York Stock Exchange in an uptick minus those in a downtick. So you can see right now the differences between these. There's about 100 point difference range, and I've seen 200 or 300 or 400 point value differences in the range. And for example, there's 252, 263, 240 more stocks on the New York Stock Exchange in an uptick minus those in a downtick, and that's for the ones that Kinetick is using. In Tradestation, there's a slightly different set of stocks being calculated. So there's some different values for the tick, and when we use a trading system that uses the tick, it can be slightly different on different platforms. And for the tick count trend system, the one we've talked about the most recently, the bullish and bearish threshold values are different. For example, in Tradestation we use plus or minus 200, and in Kinetick and Ninjatrader we use plus or minus 100. And so this video is again, you can see there's a 200 point difference there. This video is to show those differences and to show why there might be different inputs between different platforms.